Okay, folks, here we go. Check this out. Here we are, Space Weather Prediction Center. Look at this fun stuff. G2. See these spikes? They're going the wrong way. They should be going up. But they don't want to cause alarm or panic. They don't want to warn you. Why is that? Because nobody cares. I mean, look at this. On the 3rd, September 2nd, excuse me, 3 a.m. UT, they're expecting a G2. That's space weather. That's a storm, folks. A geomagnetic storm. A 6. Really? Come on. And yet, with everything that was hitting from a few days ago, we're not taking on any kind of KP index, really? I'm gonna call BS on that one. And then look at this. This, of course, is like way off. This is theirs. Coming up, big one. Ready? Whoa, it's gonna get us. Gonna get us. Gonna get us. Gonna get us. Bam! How come they didn't have a warning for us on this one? That's major, folks. That is a major one. I mean, you see the color in that? It's red. Look at the chart here. Red. Red. Right here. So on the 30th, did anybody get any notifications, any warnings or anything? Nope. Not at all. Not at all. This here's the solar, basically the absorption prediction for radiation. And this one actually, it only shows just a few pops, nothing major. They were very, very small and very short. Oops, see that one? See, nothing major. And then you got your sunspots. Yeah, so we're pretty much good here. I mean, you can see this thing going off like crazy, and they're not saying anything. We didn't get any warnings. Oh, I'm almost willing to bet that nobody really got any warnings. But on their homepage, they do. Here it is. Geomagnetic Storm Watch, G2. How come we're not getting warnings about this? I don't know. It's interesting. All right, here we go. We are over at the East European Space Agency. This is their model. Way more accurate. And I don't care if people are, I don't care. Their stuff is right. They're not dinking around with the data. They're actually giving it to you. Watch this. Whoa. See that? 29th. Who got a warning? Anybody get a warning? No, I didn't. And it goes down, and then here comes the bigger one. There's a nice little peak there, and here we go. Bam. 9:02 at midnight. Basically now. I didn't hear no warning. That's from the M flare. Right there, that's what that is. Let's see how it drops off, but look down here. This is way up. Oh, and then look at this. We had some more popping off. Yeah, baby, yeah. 9:07. You watch what I tell you. There's gonna be a big event or something like that on 9/11. Only because the cabal is so big, and they love the doggone anniversaries. Did anybody happen to know that on September 1st, okay, was exactly 162 years to the day that we had the last major solar flare. It's called the Carrington event. Literally 162 days to the day, and it knocked out power across like 90% of the globe. You know, all the telegraph wires were down. You know, and they did to send messages. They all burst into flames. I mean, the power grid, everything just taken out. It was dark for months. Now, back then there wasn't a whole lot of power, and so it wasn't that big of a deal. But think about something like that today. Bad news all the way around. Like, totally. All right. Hey, where are we at here? Here we go. All right. I did want to. I'm just gonna flip back and forth here for a second. I'm gonna close some of these windows out. All right. No, I don't want to be the dashboard yet. Sorry, folks. Okay, here we are. Let's take a watch. We're gonna go from 31st to the 2nd. One clicker frame at a time. Here we go. Ready? Now keep your eyes peeled. I've been trying to show you guys. You seen all the ships? Look at all these. Look at all this UFO movement, folks. I mean, look at that. I mean, it's really pretty crazy when you start actually like really looking and like actually trying to look. Not like, oh, every little thing. No, not every little thing is. But just smart deduction. Like this guy, he's going this way. Look at this trail. That's one. There's the line. What did they not want you to see? Whoa, look at that guy on the left. Whoa, what was that? Hey there, buddy. Look at him, leaving his trail. Whoa, man, he's really moving butt. Look at that, fresh off his back end. Now, here's the thing, folks. Some people, they're going to, oh, no, it's all space dust and pebbles and little meteorites and stuff, like, what we see in the sun, shooting stars. Really? You realize that this is the actual size of the sun right here, right? See the size of these things? You can fit like 1.3 million Earths inside of the sun. And that's a little meteor? And then with as much as we're seeing here, how come we don't have them blasting our planet all the time? I mean, if this is all debris from that, come on, stop. I mean, use common sense and deduction. It's called the law of probability. Oh, look at that. He's got wings here, and then he comes out the back end. There's one right there. Oh, there's one down the lower left. Oh, there's another one. I mean, folks, there's a lot of stuff going on out there that we're not privy enough to see. I mean, if this is, towards the sun, we're not going to see this. I mean, you got the sun blaring it out, so you can't see. Ooh, here we go. Some fun stuff. Woo, there he is. How you doing? Remember, this is from the 31st. I think we covered this the other day. I'm actually going to kind of scoot up a little bit. All right, now we're on the 1st. Okay? It's kind of important, actually. So I don't think I got to the 1st yesterday. But here we go. Oh, how you doing, fella? Are you seeing them? I really hope you're seeing them, folks. Like I really do. Hello. Wait till we get to the I think it's C3, the blue one, blue screen. Oh, look at that guy. But look at this. He's actually going through the plume that was shot, and you actually can't see it where it's going up this way. That's the first time I've ever seen that. That's actually pretty stinking cool. Like it. Wow. Well, see that guy up there? Up top? How you doing? Wow, look at that. You see that? Whoop. Formation. I swear, Star Wars is happening just off of our planet. Like, I'm not even joking. Like, oh, there he is again. Hello, fella. So, I mean, let's be honest. What do you think the coincidences are? Like, oh, these are my favorites. My favorites. What is that? And that. I mean, if they're doing this, they don't want you to see something. Let's see the timestamp here. Whoa, no wonder. Look at that. 8:36 to 14:12. That's almost 8 hours, folks. That's 6 hours. That's a lot of time. Well, they actually forgot to block that one off. That's a crap ton of time. Oh, and then they take another hour from you. And it ain't for me, it's from you. It's your taxpayer money too. This is what our taxpayer money goes for. Mm-hmm. Oh, see that? Time isn't jumping too bad at the moment. But just wait. They will. But like I was saying, what do you think the odds are? Whoa, there he is again. For this guy. What do you think the odds are, or coincidence, that there's so many of this exact guy right here, this little guy right here, that I can find them every single day? What are the odds, or is it coincidence that they're there every single day? Oh, there you go. Cut it out. See, they cut that part right there. Go back one. Boop. It's there. Cut it there. Don't want you to see it. Time 12 minutes. Yeah. They just cut something out for a minute. I mean, it's every day. And here you go. Here he is again. Multiple times in a day. Now, do you honestly think that's the same one? Same aircraft? Spaceship? UFO? Whatever you want to call it? You think it's the exact same one? No. As a matter of fact, there he is right there. See? Wings going from left to right, and then the tail off the back. In fact, here's a little friend of his. Right here. Look. I kid you not. It is literally almost like there is a freaking war or battle around our sun right now. There's so much stuff going on that it's ridiculous. Now we're actually supposed to have another pop here off of the sun here. Oh, is that it? No way. Yep, that was it. Crud. Well, they must have stopped the feed. Let's go check out our yeah, this is C2. Let's go check out C3, shall we? All right, here's C3. This one gets fun. This one gets really fun. I'm gonna move this kind of along pretty quick though, because we've seen a lot of this. 8:30, it's from the 31st. Oh, look at that. There he is. And this one's further away. Actually, keep your eye right up here. You'll actually see where they blurred it out, and they actually blurred out the black, and then you'll see him poking out the side in the very next frame, I think. Here in a little bit. It's pretty comical. Now, wait a minute. Oh, look at that. There he is. Wow. There he is. Same one? I doubt it. Ooh, look up at the black bar. Something right there. Uh-oh. They don't want us to see something. Oh, and then look at that. 12 minutes. They were pretty good about it. And yet, they still left these guys on there. Interesting. Whoa. Oh, never mind. Another one. Are you guys, like, starting to understand yet? Whoa, do you see that one there on the right? Whoa, coming right in. Look at that guy. He's coming from way out. He's going to help Johnny because